Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This is your girl Calvia. Today I'm in the kitchen. I'll be making some soup. It's been a while since I made a video. I've been busy. So sorry guys, but today I took the time to make soup for you all. So I'll be making a chicken and lentil soup with a bunch of vegetables. So stay tuned. Stay tuned as you see the end product of this lovely soup. So I went ahead of time guys and I cleaned and washed and seasoned my chicken. Yes, I season my chicken when I'm making my soup. I don't know if you guys do it like that, but that's how I do it. I like flavor. So here I use the thighs and the rib and the wing. All the bony parts. That's where I get the flavor from the bones. Okay, so this is what I used to season my chicken. I used minced garlic, little black pepper, a little Maggi, and my cayenne pepper. Into my pot of water boiling over here, I add a little salt, half a teaspoon of salt because I'm gonna add the cock soup later, so I don't want it too salty. Low sodium, y'all. So I got my water boiling right there. Okay, so for my soup, I'm gonna add a few cloves. I got my butternut squash here. For those who don't know what butternut squash is, it's something like pumpkin, from the pumpkin family, yes. But it tastes a little different, a little sweeter. And I got my carrot, my celery, my sweet potato, my onion, my scotchy, garlic, Irish potato, scallion, and thyme. Alright. So here I'm adding my chicken to my boiling water. Make a lovely chicken stock for my soup. Okay, so while my chicken is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my vegetables for my soup. In case you all wondering why you haven't seen the lentils, I already cooked those ahead of time. So I'm just gonna add them to my soup. And lentils, guys, is very nutritious, high in fiber and a whole bunch of nutrients. Here I'm cutting my celery, my soup. boiling away. Yeah. And I'm gonna add my vegetables. And guys, I haven't added the lentils as yet because it's already cooked, and lentils doesn't really take a long while to cook, so I don't want it to get all mushy. So I'm gonna add those shortly. Okay guys, so at this point I'm gonna add my lentils. The star of the show. And this actually helps to thicken the soup and add another unique flavor. See, it's coming together so nicely. And I actually added 8 ounces of cooked lentils. Yeah. Now I'm adding my thyme and my scallion. Woo. And then my last touch is some fresh frozen kale. Gotta have some greens. My soup is almost done. So lovely. Just have like 5 minutes left, guys, and dinner will be ready. Stay tuned. Okay guys, there you have it, my finished product. Ooh, look at that soup. Oh my god, so rich. Look at that. My chicken lentil soup.
mangiare, cantare, amare, 二人の合言葉 mangiare, cantare, amare これさえあれば味合う幸せ歌う楽しさ愛する喜び生きる希望 mangiare, cantare, amare 二人の合言葉 mangiare, cantare, amare 太陽の恵み mangiare, cantare amare 世界の合言葉 mangiare cantare amare これこそすべて心地よい汗を風に拭えばグラスを合わせて語り合おうぞ mangiare cantare amare 世界の合言葉 mangiare cantare amare 青い空と海味合う幸せ歌う楽しさ愛する喜び生きる希望 mangiare cantare amare 人生の